Hello and welcome back. This is project number 3. We're working with the typewriter on this one from the Farmhouse Florals August 2025 paper pumpkin kit. So we're working with this piece here, and we need to do the stamping on the inside again. I'm just going to clean, or I'm just going to Versamark those ones. I haven't cleaned my stamps from last time. Okay, so I'm just going to ink this up, okay, and we're going to put one like this. Oh shoot, with this stamp again. Okay, and there we go. Okay, it's blurry. If this happens and you don't have an extra card base or anything like that, you can always cut a corresponding piece of cardstock out and redo your greeting on the corresponding piece of cardstock. Okay, I'm having issues working this stamp today. So this one's a mess. You know what? I'm gonna get another card base out because this is just silly. And we're going to try and do it again. And what I'll do when I use this, I'll either use the back or I will cover that with another piece of cardstock. Okay, so fresh start. We're going to do this again. Okay, we're going to ink up our flowers. We're going to place them in the middle. And I'm going to, as I said in the last video, slow down. I'm so excited about this set that I am not slowing down and paying attention. Okay, so now the middle piece says to say thank you, and we put 2 stamps on the same block. So we're going to ink that up, and we're going to pop that to say thank you right in the middle here. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to fold our card. We're going to use our block to just crease that edge. If you have a bone folder, you can use it, but if you're traveling, you might not have brought your bone folder with you. Okay, the front of this is so much fun. I cannot wait to do the front of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our eyelet, for lack of a better word, we're going to call it the eyelet stamp. We're going to ink it up, and we're going to put it here. And then we're going to do it again. Not like the last card where I missed doing this twice. We're doing it twice on this one. And we're coming out to about here. Okay, so that's done. Now what do I need to do? I need to take my little piece, and this is writing paper or typing paper. How cute is this? And then we're inking up the Just a Note. Okay, and we're putting that towards the top. Just a note. There we go. Okay. And we need to do some dimensionalizing. We've got our flowers here. On the typewriter, we are going to put 1 in each corner. Below this little line, there is a little slit in the typewriter, and it is very cool. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. I'm like, how amazing is this? So then we're going to put dimensionals. Again, this is really critical, just at the top of this piece of typing paper, just at the top. And we're going to put a couple of dimensionals on the bouquet here, just at the flowers, just at the bottom. And then we're going to pop 2 on the yellow flowers like this. Okay, so we are going to pop this down. Okay, these dimensionals aren't as sticky as I'm used to. Okay, let's just pull that out. I'm going to give them a squash to make sure that they're actually stuck down. Okay, and this goes here like this over top of the typewriter image on the card. And then we take this, and just wait for this. This is so amazing. We pop this down through the slot so it actually looks like it's on the coming out of the typewriter, like that. How cool. Like, really, how cool is that? And then we take our flowers and we're going to, just trying to decide which way around to do these. This way around. We pop this over the edge of that piece of typewriter paper, a greeting. And then we take this one and we do the same. And it's going to go like that. Wow, this is really cool. Sorry, it just is. So that's our, I love the fact that the typewriter has the little slot in it for the paper. So that is project number 3. So stay tuned for alternate number 1 today and an alternate each day through the week. Thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.